Every time you have to slowly breathe in and then momentarily hold there and then start with a, oo, and then ma. Yes, be straight, eyes closed, slowly breathe in. Keep eyes closed. Be aware about your breathing by paying the attention, concentration at both the nostrils, and every breath going in and every breath coming out has to be registered by you. Be conscious, aware, alert about your breathing. Relax forehead. Facial muscles absolutely relaxed. Get closer to your breathing. सांसों के इतने करीब चले जाएं कि अब आप इन सांसों के थर्मल सेंसेशंस को भी फील कर सकें. सांस, ब्रेथ कमिंग इन, इट्स कूलनेस, आती हुई सांस की ठंडक और बाहर जाती हुई सांस की गर्माहट को दोनों ही नासिकाओं के छिद्रों पर फील करें, महसूस करें. The more closer you are to your breathing, the more calmer your mind becomes. In this consciousness, you keep on rising from body to mind to soul, or the self, real self, true self, authentic self, to the supreme self. Now, very slowly, open your eyes. Yes. Welcome to all of you once again. And a wonderful topic for which I've been practicing it for now more than 30 years. Whenever I wake up, maybe 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 2 o'clock, my regular time of waking up is 4 o'clock. The moment I get awakened, I start affirming, saying that what the goals of my life are. In respect to those goals, one has to form the affirmation. And if you repeat the affirmation for 7 to 11 times at a stretch for about 21 or 30 days, gradually and slowly, your mind, subconscious mind, starts accepting your affirmation. It becomes a belief when your inner mind accept, yes, it is true. Suppose you affirm, I am great. You keep on repeating. A time comes when your subconscious mind accept is true, and the sound comes from within. Yes, Balram, you are great. Shadha, you can put the first screen.
Okay, sure. Just give me a moment.
See, affirmation means what we think. Every single thought we think, every word we speak, whatever our feelings is an affirmation. A stream of affirmations that goes on within our subconscious mind. Unconsciously, we keep on creating life that we do not desire. For example, what our forefathers, parents, teachers, friends, relatives had put. Suppose you have been listening all the time, you are duffer. आप किसी काम के नहीं हैं. You will never improve. You are not good enough. Whatever, we keep on listening. And if that is accepted by your subconscious mind, becomes your belief, and according to that belief, there is stream of the thoughts. The origin of the thought is my past memory, information, and the beliefs. Now, Shadi, had you put the screens?
Yes, put the screens. It would be on your
Yeah, yeah,
sidebar. You can
right,
pin.
right. Okay, it is there. See, affirmation. This says are the sentences or the statements we repeat over and over with the intention of manifestation. When they're the full conviction within our mind, they becomes true, they become life's experience. I'll be showing 4 to 5 slides here. I will cover the every single area of affirmation for your well understanding how, when, where these affirmations can be said. Yes, slide by, next slide, please. Which areas can be changed of our life through affirmations? Any area, maybe your body and health, and maybe your career and guidance, career and education, personal goals, relationship, financial income, what savings you are doing, want to do, investments, recreation, and lastly, it is written self-esteem. Any damn area of the life, if you've got any problem, affirmation, the power of affirmation can change everything in your life. Next slide. Yes. Now, how to formulate affirmations? Whatever affirmation we want to say consciously, it has to be always in present tense. You cannot say, I will earn more money in the next 1 year. It has to be in positive sense. I am earning this much of money. I'm great. I'm genius. I'm fortunate. Everything, whatever you are making, your affirmation has to be positive. Number one thing is specific. The more specific you are, the better results you will get. You have to give the clear indication to the universe that exactly what you want out of this affirmation in which area of your life. Then becomes most positive way. Most positive way. You have to use present tense positive way, and then this is shorter and simpler. The more affirmations or shorter affirmation can be even a single word. Suppose you feel that you are not loved by the people around you. If you keep on affirming with the image in front of you or without the image also, love, 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 love. Even this constant repetition also can bring the dramatic change in according to that affirmation. Feel right for you. It should feel right for you. For example, suppose your hand is broken and you affirm that in the next 15 days, I'll be out of this bandage and my leg or hand will be absolutely all right. It should be feasible to your subconscious mind. I will share one example here. One sister came to me. She fall from a scooter and she had a multiple, you can say, injuries in her lower back. Her, to the extent, her sensation for urine and the stool was also lost. So she asked me, can I, Balram, say in the next 6 months, my sensation for the urine stool will be totally resumed? I told her, sister, suppose in the next 6 months you won't be able to, you are not able to resume that normalcy, then you'll be having, you'll be losing the faith and the affirmation. In that, where the situation is quite critical, the affirmation can be progressive. Day by day, in every way, I am becoming better and better as far as my particular this thing is concerned. यहाँ एक एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको देना चाहूंगा, a wonderful example. One person of about 80 years age met with an accident and died. When doctor was looking at her report, at his report, he was surprised. He called who has come to take his body. Her daughter came inside. She was asked, who, who is the doctor looking after your dad? What medicines he was taking? She was very much surprised. Doctor, what you're saying? What are you saying? What type of what medicine and what doctor you're talking about? I can't understand. Doctor replied, your father could have died 20 years earlier. Now also he has died because of the accident. What he was doing, which has kept him alive? She could not reply real. She did like this. Then she said, yes, doctor, yes, yes, yes. My father, looking in the mirror every day, was saying, day by day, in every way, I am becoming better and better. Amitabh Bachchan made the third operation, surgery of his abdomen, and 7 gastroenterologists attending on him were not successful. Everybody was very much worried, being such a big celebrity, and he could not be operated properly. Amitabh Bachchan told them, you have done your job, God will do its job, and I'll be doing my job. उन्होंने कहा, हर दिन हर तरह से मैं पहले से बेहतर बेहतर होता जा रहा हूं. This particular affirmation, what he was constantly repeating in his mind, brought him very quickly to the field of absolute normalcy. You can see him after the third surgery, abdominal surgery. He is still very active in his field. Feel the emotion. Feel the emotion. Unless emotion, energy in the motion, every thought is energy, every word is energy, every feeling is energy. But when you put your emotions into it, it becomes very stronger. We'll be doing this practically at the last. Visualize your affirmation. आप जो भी कह रहे हैं उसको देखते हुए कहना है. Golden rule is repetition. This is the most important aspect of these affirmative formulation of the affirmations. A single positive affirmation is 100 times more powerful than a negative affirmation. I'm scared. I'm confident. I'm confident. I'm confident. I'm confident. I'm confident. If we keep on repeating this affirmation, the negative, I'm scared, I'm fearful, can be easily replaced in certain days, about 21 to 30 days. Fun with, fun with it passionately. Dr. Leela has been always telling us, जब आप खुश हैं, जब रिलैक्स्ड हैं, जब आप एफर्मेशन करने के मूड में हैं, तभी एफर्मेशन करें. Mention Almighty authority. By the help of God, I am recovering very quickly now. With the help of God, with the help of Almighty authority, I am able to do all these tragics of my life or overcoming my troubles. You can say like this. It will add the power to your affirmation. Other people say, see, father and mother having two daughters, one son who was very duffer, all the time feeling very low self-esteem. They had come to our workshop. This I'm talking about 10 years back. Then I told him, we are taking that affirmations, flow of affirmations in that workshop. I told him, you do this practically at your home. What you do, see, make your son to sit on a chair, and then mother and father on one side, parents, means mother on one side, father on another side, then one sister keeping her both the hands on his thighs, and then another sister holding him at the back, and constantly they were throwing the affirmation, bombarding the affirmation. Rajesh, you are dynamic. Rajesh is dynamic. He is dynamic. Constantly affirmation they were bombarding for his higher self-esteem. And he called me, his father, that I have seen the dramatic effect of the affirmations for my son. He is totally a changed personality now. So this is the practical we take in our workshops. Next slide, please. Show the next slide, please. Yes. How affirmations can be done. कैसे हम करें affirmations? लोगों को शायद पता ही नहीं होता है कि affirmations कैसे किए जाते हैं. I'm telling you, writing down on the paper. Take a separate notebook. The affirmations in number can be 5, top 5, with your top 5 goals. What I was doing earlier and teaching, suppose you could write down, you have written 5 affirmations. Each affirmation, you write down date, number 1. And each affirmation you repeat for 5 to 11 times. You can even repeat for 3 times. Then next affirmation, repeat it for 3 to 5 times. Then next, then next. Likewise, if you take 5 affirmation with different areas of your life and making the affirmation suitable to your goals, then carrying out an inner dialogue. बार बार अगर मन में बोलते रहेंगे, आई एम गेटिंग बेटर, आई एम गेटिंग बेटर, आई एम फाइन, आई एम ओके, आई एम फीलिंग बेटर, anything in any area. Suppose you are a very peaceless soul, दूर दूर तक आपके जिंदगी में शांति नहीं है. If you keep on affirming internally, mentally, I'm a peaceful soul, मैं शांत स्वरूप आत्मा हूँ, मैं शांत स्वरूप आत्मा हूँ, मैं शांत स्वरूप आत्मा हूँ. Because your every thought carries the vibration with it, and that vibration is and you can say order to the universe what you want in life. So second is carrying out an inner dialogue. Sing or chant. आप उसको गाने के रूप में गा सकते हैं, चैंट कर सकते हैं. You can record the affirmation and listen. रिकॉर्ड करें आपके एफर्मेशंस को एंड कीप ऑन लिसनिंग. नेक्स्ट इज हैव ए पार्टनर रिपीट देम फॉर यू. Balram is confident. You can, a partner means another person is saying you. That also is one of the ways of saying the affirmations. And last is very, very powerful mirror affirmation for which I just quoted you. How that old man who died with accident at the age of 80 was able to survive only with the affirmation, looking into the mirror. That will be doing practically at the last. These are the best affirmations. Look into the mirror and say, next slide, please. Affirm what do you want, not what you don't want. This is very, very important because your subconscious mind never accepts no, not, or do not. I do not want to get up late in the morning. You should say, I wake up in time in the morning. I wake up early in the morning with full of energy. My shoes are cutting me. I don't want my shoes to give any trouble. You should say, I want my shoes to be comfortable with me. Don't slam the door. When somebody listens this affirmation or the thought or the word, he'll keep on hammering the door. Say, close the door gently. So this way, affirmation has to be said what you want, not what you do not want. I do not want you to insult me. I do not want you to hurt me. You should say, I want you to respect me. I want you to regard me. I want you to be lovable to me. Always say what you want, not what you do not want. Next. Yes, now this is very, 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 very important slide. अगर आपके पास पेन पेपर हाथ में तो यू कैन राइट डाउन. देखिए, थॉट के साथ जब इमोशन जुड़ते हैं तो उसमें अट्रैक्शन का पावर आता है. बिकॉज थॉट बिकम्स थिंग्स. व्हाट यू होल्ड इन योर माइंड, यू होल्ड इन योर हैंड्स. विचारों के साथ जब भावनाएं जुड़ जाती हैं तो आकर्षण की शक्ति इसमें बढ़ जाती है. थॉट प्लस इमोशन प्लस विजुअलाइजेशन इज क्रिएशन. आपके विचारों के साथ इमोशंस और उसके साथ जब उसको देखने लगते हैं, विजुअलाइज करने लगते हैं, वो चीज आपके लिए बनकर तैयार हो जाती है. क्रिएशन, इट इज क्रिएटेड बाय यू. बिकॉज एवरी थॉट हैज ए क्रिएशन, एवरी वर्ड हैज ए क्रिएशन. और उसके बाद सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट, थॉट्स प्लस इमोशंस प्लस विजुअलाइजेशन प्लस बिलीफ इज मैनिफेस्टेशन. जब के विचारों के साथ, इमोशन के साथ, विजन के साथ में जब आपकी अंतरात्मा स्वीकार कर लेती है दैट बलराम इज वंडरफुल, यू आर ग्रेट, यू आर जीनियस, यू आर फंटास्टिक, then that can be definitely experienced by you as a life experience. वो चीज, वो विचार आपके जिंदगी की तस्वीर बन जाएगी. यस, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज.
So this is the last slide.
Okay, fine. See, now I'll summarize it once again. See, we have seen that every thought when repeatedly with a positive you can statement, it in due course of time becomes a belief. Ask, believe, receive. These are three words where the entire book of secret has been written by Rhonda Byrne. Next, she written power. Imagine it, feel it, and receive it. Now, the very important last thing I would like to say before we go for your questions. I was giving the lecture for 45 different sport faculties coming to Mount Abu for a conference, and I was given the topic of the power of mind. The very important, the one slide that everybody appreciated what I put on the my slides. It said, ध्यान से सुनना सभी, don't think, feel it, Don't think, feel it. Don't say, see it. जो भी विचार आप करते हैं उस विचार को महसूस करो. Bring the feeling as if you have it right now. मत कहो मैं जरूर एक दिन कामयाब हूंगा, मैं जरूर एक दिन शांत स्वभाव वाला बनूंगा, मेरी जिंदगी जरूर खुशहाल होगी. बट स्टार्ट सीइंग इट, विजुअलाइजिंग इट, बिकॉज फीलिंग and the images are the right things for the subconscious mind. That's the language of subconscious mind. So now we'll have one practical, then we can go for the questions. आप सभी को कुछ एफर्मेशन मेरे साथ कहने होंगे. मैंने पहले ही कहा है आपको एफर्मेशन के साथ में आपको फीलिंग लाना है एज इफ इट इज राइट नाउ. अगर आप जिंदगी भर कहते हैं लाइफ इज ब्यूटीफुल, लाइफ इज ब्यूटीफुल, लाइफ इज ब्यूटीफुल, लेकिन आप फील कर रहे हैं लाइफ इज मिजरेबल, तो योर फीलिंग ऑफ मिजरेबल will be reflected to you as the life experience in your life. So now get ready everybody. जहां तक हो सके आप अपने कैमरास ऑन कर लीजिए, आप मुझे देख सकते हैं. प्रैक्टिकली आई एम डूइंग विथ यू. आपको मेरे साथ कहना है certain affirmations with a feeling, with visualization and as if. आपको दोनों ही बाहों को ऊपर करना है जैसे कि आपके सामने आईना है और आप आईने के सामने सब कर रहे हैं. और एंड व्हाट यू डू, यू हैव टू हैव इवन द फीलिंग ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड कि जो आप कह रहे हैं भगवान ने आपके दामन में वो सब कुछ आपकी तस्वीर बना के रखी है. लुकिंग एट द एंड रिजल्ट ऑफ योर एफर्मेशन, यू टू से लाइक दिस. ओके, यस, रेडी एवरीबॉडी? प्लीज ओपन योर कैमरास, ओपन योर कैमरास. आपको दोनों ही बाहों को ऊपर ऐसे हर एफर्मेशन के साथ में पहले मैं कहूंगा, देन यू से यू टेक बोथ द हैंड्स अप इन द स्काई. दोनों ही बाहों को फैलाओ, आपके सीने को चौड़ा कर दो और फिर एफर्मेशन कहना है फीलिंग के साथ, विजुअलाइजेशन के साथ में. रेडी? यस, गो विथ मी. कम ऑन एवरीबॉडी, से डे बाय डे, in every way,
day by day, every way,
I'm becoming
I'm becoming
better and better.
better and better.
हर दिन,
हर दिन,
हर तरह से,
हर तरह से
मैं पहले से
मैं पहले से
बेहतर
बेहतर
और बेहतर
और बेहतर
होता जा रहा हूँ.
होता जा रहा हूँ.
जो हमारे साथ बहनें बैठी हैं उनको होती जा रही हूँ बोलना है, नहीं तो आप जो बोलोगे ना बन जाओगे. बी केयरफुल अबाउट दिस. यस, इसमें है ना, आप बोल तो रहे हैं लेकिन अभी भी 100% इन्वॉल्वमेंट आपका नहीं है. प्लीज कम विद मोर ऑफ जोश, more of enthusiasm, more of energy in this. Yes, life is beautiful,
Life is beautiful.
life is amazing,
Life is amazing.
I am dynamic,
I'm dynamic.
I am great,
I'm great.
I am genius.
I'm genius.
Yes, very good. अभी थोड़ा जोश आया है. आखिरी के last 5 affirmations I am saying, if these affirmations you keep on repeating from today, they are applicable to every single goal in your life, right? बहुत ही जोश के साथ में, उमंग उत्साह के साथ में सभी को मेरे साथ कहना है ये वो affirmation जो आज से भी आप read करना चालू करोगे तो in any area of the life you can see your goals getting closer to manifestation and getting manifested, right? भगवान मेरा साथी है,
भगवान मेरा साथी है.
I'm the best,
I'm the best.
I can do it,
I can do it.
I am the winner.
I am the winner.
Yes, I am, I can and I will. I am, I can I will. These are the best type of affirmations where they can be can have the more effect on your this thing, life's goals or changing your beliefs. Yes, Shadbhai, I have completed now. You can go ahead.
Thank you very much for the nice session, Balram Bhai. It gave a very good clarity in terms of affirmations. Uh, and now we'll open to our question answer round. Okay, anybody who has any kind of questions related to affirmations can put that in chat or can unmute themselves and ask it.
Sir, I have a question. Can I go?
Yes,
Sunil
yes,
here.
sure.
Please,
Welcome.
Sunil, go ahead.
Sunil भाई बोलिए बोलिए.
सर द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम, सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये होती है अफर्मेशन में कि इंटरनल बिलीफ आती नहीं है. वी राइट इट डाउन. तो आई मीन दो वी आर सेइंग बट इंटरनली वी आर नॉट हैविंग बिलीफ कि ये सही है या हो जाएगा या हो रहा है. आई मीन इन प्रेजेंट टेंस उस गैप को कैसे वो करें?
See what mind power says. Patience, practice, patience and persistence. एक लकीर जो आप लगा रहे हैं पानी पर बहुत कम समय में मिट जाती है. वही लकीर अगर आप रेती में लगाते हैं तो थोड़ा उसका समय रहता है. वही लकीर अगर आप गीली मिट्टी में लगाएं, मोर इफेक्ट. इफ यू पुट द सेम लाइन ऑन ए स्टोन or any metal, the more you repeat, the better impact these affirmations have, and gradually you will see that अगर आपका affirmation काम नहीं कर रहा है, मतलब आपका जो अंतर मन का जो द्वंद्व है ना, अंतर मन से जो आवाजें आ रही है ना, आप चाहते हैं आई वांट टू सेटल डाउन अमेरिका, अंदर से आवाज आ रही है अमेरिका में देयर इज नो सोशल लाइफ, आई बी अवे फ्रॉम माय ऑल द रिलेटिव्स. So these certain things which your subconscious mind in the form of the streams keeps on reducing the effect of affirmation. But I can challenge you, if all these parameters what I've described today, if you go ahead with this, I can challenge you. I already told you a positive. Of course, that has to be positive. Affirmation is 100 times more powerful than a negative emotion. आपके अंदर जो अंतर्मन जो द्वंद्व चलता है, they are weaker affirmations, they are the weaker things, and always the positive thing has got the more effect, more powerful than the negative thing. Shuniba, is that clear to you?
Right.
Thank you very much, Balram bhai.
Along with that, one thing more I would like to add. आप अगर रोज मेडिटेशन करते हैं, आपके अंदर जो विचारों की जो श्रृंखला है सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में, वो धीरे धीरे कम होती चली जाती है. You get the more power of acceptance, you become less judgmental, you become more relaxed. उसके बाद में आपके संकल्पों में, क्योंकि संकल्प कम होते हैं, thoughts are reduced, then वो जो reduced thoughts हैं, जो कम संकल्प होते हैं ना, उनमें बहुत ज्यादा शक्ति होती है manifestation की. Yes, somebody else has written. Yes, Shadbhai. Somebody
Okay.
has written something here.
Sure, just give me a moment.
Anil bhai, are you clear?
Dr. Anila, would you like to add something to this, to Sunil's question?
Sure. Actually, Balram sir has actually explained it beautifully. Sunil, but there's only one small clarification, and in fact, this might help everybody. Affirmations are that tool that actually change our beliefs. Okay? They are a very powerful tool to change our belief. Now, just like how Balramji was saying, पत्थर की लकीर versus sand में लकीर, it takes time to change a belief. Initially, आपका subconscious mind या memory बिल्कुल reject कर देगा इसको, right? But the more you repeat it, the more it will get embedded, because a belief is nothing but a repetitive thought. So you are introducing thought again and again and again with the power of your emotions, with the power of visualization. So if you persist, your belief will change. Okay? I hope that is a little helpful.
Right. Thank you very much for this insight analogy. In fact, I would like to add something. There's also a concept called affirmations, where you form a formation in questions. So for example, if you are repeating it to yourself that I'm successful, and your brain comes back and tells you that no, you are not successful, you don't have any proof to prove that you are successful. So in that case you can form a questioned affirmation. So that would be, you need to ask yourself, why am I successful? Okay, so when you ask your mind why am I successful, it will start looking for its database and it will start giving you the reasons for you to believe why you are successful. So instead of getting a yes or a no answer from your subconscious mind or from your consciousness, start asking those questions. If you are successful, why are you successful? Or why am I feeling so happy? Why my days every day goes well? So these kind of questions can be formed. Okay, thank you. Uh, we have Purvi.
Hello.
Purvi, you raised your hand. Could you
Yes,
please
sir.
ask your question?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. Good evening, everyone.
हाँ, good
Good
evening.
evening.
Good evening.
मुझे ये पूछना था कि हमें ये अफर्मेशंस कितने दिन करने होंगे? मतलब कब हमें पता चल जाएगा कि हमें नए अफर्मेशंस पे शिफ्ट करना है?
See, affirmations are basically to rechange your programming. What the earlier programming by any means has been done unto you, you have to change the programming till the time you change your beliefs, till the time you change your programming, what earlier it was and now what it is. Anila ji, can you please put the light on this, please?
Excuse me, of course I can. It takes a lifetime to create negative beliefs, but usually it takes about 21 days minimum of saying these things again and again. Now, there are varied ideas on this. Some people say if you are able to write the statement at least 108 times on a regular basis for a period of 21 days, that is also a very powerful thing. However, personally, I have felt that saying them with great emotion, because it is not the words, it's actually your emotion behind it. It's those images that you're forming in your mind, because that is actually the language that your subconscious mind understands. So, minimum 21 days, you can take it further. How will you know? You will know when you start seeing the results in your day to day life, when manifestations start happening differently, when life itself self starts changing, you will know how effective it is. And that is a great indicator on a personal level. तो कुछ लोगों के लिए जल्दी हो जाता है, थोड़े लोगों को थोड़ा और टाइम लगता है, मगर persistence is the key. Don't give up on it.
हाँ मैम, एक डाउट ये है कि स्टार्टिंग में तो एकदम इमोशंस आते नहीं हैं, और किसी भी दिन आप जैसे 21 डेज है, सपोज ऑन 14-15 डे आपको आपका मूड अच्छा नहीं है, तो आपकी इच्छा नहीं होती करने की, या आप करते भी हैं तो वो इतना अच्छी तरीके से नहीं होता है कि एक रेगुलर स्कूल के जैसे अपन करते हैं वैसा हो जाता है, तो या वो बीच में ब्रेक ले लेंगे तो द नेक्स्ट डे विल बी योर फर्स्ट डे?
Yes, I suppose. In fact, इसके बारे में एक और क्वेश्चन भी है कि क्या जब हम लो फील करते हैं क्या एफर्मेशंस उस टाइम करना चाहिए कि नहीं. तो ये दो क्वेश्चंस मैं सोचती हूँ एक ही टाइम में हम आंसर कर सकते हैं. वो ये है कि जी हाँ, ऐसे टाइम्स होते हैं when we are feeling low. That is also part of our natural day. During that time, don't say your affirmations. All right? जबरदस्ती ना कीजिएगा. First of all, जब हम लो फील कर रहे होते हैं तो without realizing it, we are actually focused on the lack of what is in our life. I mean, lack of it, rather than focusing on abundance and what the presence of it. तो क्या होता है कि that emotion only gets magnified. मगर याद रखिएगा, दिन में 24 घंटे हैं. अब 24 के 24 घंटे के लिए थोड़ी ना आप लो फील करेंगे. You try to become happy, try to be a little more relaxed, find that time of the day when you are feeling good. Then say your affirmations. You're doing it for yourself. All right? So give it that value because it's a very powerful tool. All right? Sir, would you like to add?
Yes, sir. अनिला जी, एक बात मैं एक्सपीरियंस बताना चाहूँगा कि see, when I got the invitation for some child, he was feeling hopeless case totally, and I was invited to USA in California. When the very first time I told someone, called her for my visa, she told me, how old is your passport? I told him 7 years old. How many stamps are there? How many countries you have visited? And I told him that I told her that no, I have never traveled abroad. So that she told me it's very difficult for you to get visa instantly. Instantly, what this mind power suggests, I said, try cut, cancel. I'm going to get visa very easily. And next day, I called another agency, and it was dramatically provided to me, dramatically. So if your inner stream makes you more weaker, at that time only just replace that. Just say cut, cancel, and just say what you want. That can be easily replaced.
So
This is
we
the
should say in present tense or we should say in past tense?
No, never in the past tense, always present tense. Always.
Okay.
Yeah, because subconscious mind only knows the language of present tense.
अच्छा.
मैं धनवान बन जाऊंगी, मैं धनवान बन जाऊंगी, या मेरी शादी बहुत जल्दी होगी, मैं बहुत जल्दी माँ बन जाऊंगी. आई एम ए मदर, आई एम prosperous, I am abundant. This particular present tense feeling only can get the very powerful result. Got it?
So I can say that I got a job, my father got a job. Is it correct way? इसमें अपन emotions add कर दे तो?
नहीं, you cannot affirm for others. You can say like this, I'm happy to see that my father is employed now.
अच्छा.
Yeah, you cannot affirm for others.
Okay.
Suppose in a sports person, there are 11 team members. All the team members are very honest and hardworking. I cannot say this. I'm happy to see, I'm delighted to see that all the team members are very committed. ऐसे हम बोल सकते हैं. I. Affirmation means I.
जी.
Yes, Shaz bhai, can you say on this?
No, you are actually right. Affirmation should keep you as your center point. Yes, it should be a positive statement and it should make you feel empowered. Okay, so it's you who is taking this step to make this change in your life. So it should always revolve around you. You are the subject in affirmation, right?
I can say it like this also. जो जाता है वो आता है, जो बोते हो पाते हो, जो देते हो वही, जो बोते हो वही पाते हो. What goes comes back, what you give you get, and what you both the same you reap. So it is always in the case of when we talk about mind power, it is always you. But the universe, you are a unique, and you are very special to the universe. Always gives the favor to you. It always works in your favor. Yes.
All right. Thank you very much for the insights, everyone. We have another question by Ashok Srivastav. Should we visualize also at the time of saying affirmations? That's a very good question. Balram, sir, please throw some light on it.
See, I have given the equation: thought plus emotion is attraction, thought plus emotion plus visualization is creation, thought plus emotion plus visualization plus belief is receiving or manifestation. Very very important aspect. मैंने ये भी कहा है कि मत सोचो, फील करो, मत कहो, देखो. अगर समझो आपको लगता है कि सुपरमार्केट में दिवाली के दिनों में या सम स्पेशल सीजन में बहुत ज्यादा भीड़ रहती है, आपके मनपसंद चीजें वहां मिलती नहीं है, देन स्केर्सिटी आर नॉट अवेलेबल आर गेट फिनिश्ड. If you just visualize before going to the supermarket, I've gone there, I'm holding a trolley with me, I'm moving around looking for my needy things, and I'm getting all the things, I'm pouring that entire my required things into that trolley, and I'm coming back laughingly, I'm making my payment. When I am coming out, my friend met me outside, said, how? Every single thing what you like, if you keep on visualizing with affirmation, it gives a lot of impact to the manifestation. Yes.
All right. Thank you. We have a request from Sujata. Sorry, Sujata. Provide 5 top affirmations.
See, what I give in my classes, number one, I say, God is my companion. भगवान मेरा साथी है. Number two, God is my companion is the number one. I love God. God loves me. I love God. God loves me. Third definition we put is I am the best. I am the best. I can do it. I can do it. I am the winner. If this sequence of the top 5 affirmations you follow in sequence, I have seen the wonderful results with these 5 top affirmations, which can be applicable for your any desired goal or aspiration.
All right. Thank you very much, Balram sir. In fact, my favorite one is I'm getting better and better every day. Anila, what's your favorite one?
I like that one too also.
Okay. All
But I
right.
also like I am my own superhero.
Great.
That this is the universal affirmation. Universally, you can say accepted.
Great. Right. So we have a question from Manivannan. Which spot you advise to perform affirmations in home?
Wherever you feel most comfortable, maybe in front of mirror, maybe in a closed room, maybe in the hall, wherever you feel like saying you're very comfortable, I think that's the best place for you, because
Right.
it is the feeling, it is the emotion which is giving the impact to that affirmation. Your comfort, your convenience in that house at the same of affirmation is very, very important.
Great. Thank you. In fact, we have been told in the past that we need to fix a place for our meditation at home. So wherever we are comfortable, it's a good idea to do that meditation every day on the same spot. And right after the meditation, you can perform your affirmation. So you can continue affirming sitting at the same place where you're meditating. So that's also a good idea.
Shalbhai, here I like to tell all of you, all of people here, that one very good recording of the Bij mantras has been done by your brother, है ना? Where we are visualizing the goals,
Mm-hmm.
where we are visualizing the goals. तो meditation के बाद the appropriate atmosphere of the mind, that
Mm-hmm.
soil, that base for saying the affirmation, because that time you are calm, you are quiet, you are relaxed, you are hopeful. So that is also that is one of the best times to affirm your goals.
Great. Thanks for reminding me. In fact, I'll share this meditation in the group.
It is a wonderful. I really, मैं जिनको भी देता हूँ ना, they really love that sound and the way it has been told. The different humming these sounds, lam vam yam ram hum om mantras na, ये
Mhm.
so beautifully. Shiraz bhai na, Shiraz bhai.
Sure, sure. It isn't Shiraz's recording. I'll share the link of the meditation. It's so first it's with the meditation of all these chakras, and then after that we focus on the thoughtless space, and then we recite the meditation. So it's a very good sequence to follow. So I'll share the link of meditations, and everybody can try it.
Everybody must go through this link, and अगर आप 7 दिन भी उस वीडियो के साथ अगर प्रैक्टिस करोगे these बीज मंत्रास, they can bring a dramatic change, rejuvenation हो जाएगा आपके लाइफ का एनी एरिया का. Yes.
All
Hello.
right.
Yeah, this is Dr. Shilpa Zatye. I just wanted to ask how many times each affirmation should be repeated every day? Means like God is my companion. How many times we should say it every day?
Yes, Anila ji, Ashad bhai, please go ahead.
So we have taken up this question earlier also. I think you joined late. So we can do it on every day from 3 to 11 times.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. And it's a good idea to repeat your affirmations morning, afternoon, and evening. So morning just after you wake up, afternoon after you have your food, and evening before you go off to sleep.
Okay, thank you. Thank you
All
so
right.
much.
Most welcome.
Shilpa ji, nice to see you. Shilpa is a gynecologist from Malwan or Konkan area in Maharashtra, and they have got 5 their own hospitals in entire little town of 2 lakhs people.
All right.
Her husband is a doctor, his grandfather, grandmother, his husband's uncle, auntie, they all have a separate hospital, Zante. So, Shilpa
Okay.
ji, I'm happy to see you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
और शी इज
Thank
सच
you.
अम्बिल ना,
Welcome,
अगर आपको
Shilpa.
कोई भी गायनोकोलॉजी का प्रॉब्लम आता है, any damn problem, she is with us in this group, you can ask her, she'll go all the way to help you, all the way she'll be helping you.
Yes, yes. Anytime. Any other problem also, apart from gynec also.
All right. That's really nice. Thank you very much, Shilpa ji. Welcome to the group. Okay. Now we have question from Sujata. My husband never believes in all these things. He has signomelia. I thought that I'll affirm that his spinal cord is healthy. Now, how to do it if he doesn't do it himself? Okay. So I would in fact like Anila and Balram, both of you to respond on this, as it's a medical issue also. Balram, sir, let's start with you.
See, the very first thing, जो भी आप कर रहे हैं, जब तक आपको उसमें विश्वास नहीं है, नथिंग कैन वर्क आउट फॉर यू. विश्वास कई बार नहीं होता है, लेकिन आप जैसे उसकी तरफ बढ़ते हैं, यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग द रिजल्ट आउट ऑफ इट. आपको जैसे ही वहां से प्राप्ति होना शुरू होती है, तो आपका आत्मविश्वास बढ़ता चला जाता है. In your case, I can definitely say that single this affirmation, day by day in every way, I'm becoming better and better. And when this affirmation is accepted by the subconscious mind as true, with a deep conviction, then I'm telling you, the universe will start sending all the signals, making him more confident, making him more faithful. Everything subconscious mind has got the power, dramatic power it has got within it. The infinite power lies with the subconscious mind, which is connected to the supraconscious mind, or you can say the supermind. Gradually, if you are intending to get to normalcy, entire universe will be with you to guide you at every step. And universe has got a wonderful, very impactful power. It can change your beliefs, it can change your faith, it can change your, जिस चीज में आपको इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, जिस चीज में आपको रुचि नहीं है, even that mindset can be changed by the universe when the subconscious mind start accepting that yes, he wants to grow, he wants to be normal. Yes, Anila ji, please.
Actually, just a few minutes back, Balramji had answered this indirectly. First and foremost, please understand that we cannot create for somebody else. We cannot live somebody else's life, nor can we affirm for somebody else. However, the good news is this, that if he is part of your life, that means he is definitely your own creation also. So how can we change this around? You can form an affirmation, Sujata, about your emotions as to how your husband has recovered. I am so happy and grateful to see that my husband is recovering so beautifully from syringomyelia. You put yourself into the center of it, keeping your husband as a part of your created life. That is the way in which you can do it. But nor can you force him to affirm, because if there is no belief, he is not going to. It's of no use. All right? And you cannot shove that belief down his throat. So you put yourself into the center of it and keep it forward. All right, I hope that helps.
That has been beautifully answered. In fact, I also would like to add that if we look from law of attraction point of view, any situation and every situation which is in your life has been created by you. That sounds blunt, but actually that is the reality. But the good news is once you have created it incorrectly, so you can recreate it as well. And just like Anila said, we can affirm those positive statements in a way that it is emotionally connected with us, and that will create definitely a difference in your life. Okay. Dr. Shilpa would like to add something to this.
One word I'd like to add here, Vishal bhai. See, your thought has to become will. When there is will, there is way.
Sure, definitely. That's the way to go. Great. Any other questions? I think I've covered all the questions which were mentioned in the chat. Do let me know if I have missed on any one of them. Great. So we come to an end of another very nice session. Thank you very much, Balram sir, for throwing the insight on the affirmations. I know a lot of people do not know how to form it, and even if they don't know how to form it, it's difficult to uh, practice it. Okay, so we have covered how to form it as well as how to practice it, and we have done some practice as well. So thanks a lot, everybody. I would like to unmute yourself and give a round of applause to Balram and Dr. Anila for answering our questions as well.
And Shaz
Thank you,
also.
sir. Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much for the wonderful session, madam. Bye, Mrs. Shah. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. Thank you very much. And just
Wonderful.
in fact, I would like to let you guys know that last week we started a very beautiful 21 days magical morning sessions. That's about forming some affirmations and doing practice on daily basis of meditations as well as affirmations. And that's it's a very good session which is going on. Uh, and it's going nicely. So in case if somebody wants to be a part of the session, do let us know personally, and we can arrange that. Right. So thank you very much once again, everyone, for taking out time and being a part of this session. Hope you have a wonderful day.
Thank you
We are
to all
so
of you. Thank you very
grateful.
much.
Thank
Thank you
you,
so much.
everyone.
Thank you so much.
Right.
Thank you. Thank you. Namaskar.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.